Well, I was looking for a unique old clock to put on an ancient, well, I wouldn't call it ancient, but a vintage oriental type cabinet I ordered. And I thought, well, I need something to put on top of that that's cool. And I got on eBay and found this clock, and it's the only one I could find like it. I just fell in love with it, and the seller, we come to an agreement, and I bought it, and I was worried that it would come with these glasses broke, but he shipped it FedEx, and he done a great job packaging it, and thank God it made it okay. But I mean, it's just an original old clock. It shows its age, and that's what I like. When I originally bought it, I had planned on kind of maybe taking this trim off and redoing the mahogany wood, and maybe even painting it black to match the cabinet. But I thought, nope. As soon as I seen it, I'm gonna leave it like it is, like Mike from Pickers says. But I'll show you here the inside of it. It's just a neat old clock. It's got a Japanese symbol. I wanted something Japanese too, sort of. And it is Japanese, but I'm gonna run it. You can see the door, how it's made. It's mahogany. Let you listen to the chime here. It's a really cool old clock, still all original. Looks like it's got the got two keys, because they take a different size key each side. The one's for the to wind up the time, you know, the movement, and then the other winds up the for the alarm. Yeah, I just think it's just a beautiful old clock. And it'll look great. I'm not going to worry about using it or anything, but it does work. And the movement was clean and everything. So that's always great that it works. But it's just going to be a display unit. I love the looks of it. It's going to look really good when I get my cabinet in. It's going to go on top of it and look real nice. But anyway, thanks for watching.